Some more problems on percentage. So first one here is if 20% of A is equals to B, then what is the B percent of 20? So we have to find what is the B percent of 20. Okay, so what is given here? Solution of first one. 20% of A is given as B. And what we have to find? We have to find B percent of 20. This is we have to find, and this is given. Okay, so 20% of A is given as B. So what will be B? B is A multiplied by 20% of A. That is 20 by 100. So we can write B as 20 times A into 100. Right? Now we have to find B percent of 20. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find 20 into B percent. That is 20 into B by 100. Okay. We already have B, so we can use this B. So we can write this as 20. I'm writing it here, 20 by 100 into B. So 20 by 100 into, what is B? B is 20 times A by 100. Right? Now we just have to cancel this. Okay. This will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. What we have is 4A by 100, which is 0.04 times A. Right? So what is 20% of B? Sorry, B percent of 20. B percent of 20 is 0.04 times A, or we can write this as 4% of A. So from here we can say that B percent of 20 is equals to 4% of A. Right? What we have done is 0.04 we are converted into percentage, that is we are multiplying it by 100. Okay. So 0.04 is 0.04 multiplied by 100, which is 4%. Right? So B percent of 20 is nothing but 4% of A. Second question, in a certain school, 20% of students are below 8 years of age. Okay. The number of students above 8 years of age is 2/3 of the number of students of 8 years of age, which is 48. What is the total number of students in the school? So what is given here? 20% of the students are below 8 years, right? And above 8 years is 2/3 of the 8 years, which is given as 48. And we have to find total number of students. Okay. Solution of second question. What is given? In a school, 20% of students are below 8 years. So below 8 years are 20%. Okay, 20% of students are below 8 years. And above 8 years is 2/3 of the number of students of 8 years. So above 8 years, how many we have above 8 years? It is 2/3 of the number of students of 8 years. And how many we have of 8 years? 8 years are given as 48. So 8 years we have 48 students who are of 8 years. Below 8 years, 20%. Above 8 years is 2/3 of 8 years. Right? Okay. So we have to find total number of students. Now we know that there are 20% of students who are below 8 years. Right? So how many students will be of 8 years? And above 8 years? It will be 100 minus 20, which is equals to 80%. right? If 20% of students are below 8 years, then remaining 80 are going to be either of 8 years of age or above 8 years of age, right? So these 80% are either like 8 years of age or above 8 years of age, right? Now how many we have of 8 years? There are total 48 students of 8 years old, and 2/3 of these 48 are, okay, so this is 80% of total number of students. So let me take here how many total number of students we have. Total number of students, I'm assuming it to be x. So this 80%, okay, is of total number of students. So here we have 48 plus 2 into 2 by 3 into 48, which is equals to total number of 80%. Right? 16. This is 48 plus 32, which is equals to 80% of total number of students. Now this 80, which is equals to 80x by 100. Now multiply this. So what will be value of x? 80 into 100 by this 80. Okay, this 80 will get cancelled. What is the value of x? Value of x is 100. So how many total number of students we have? We have total number of students, it is 100 in the school, out of which 20% are below 8 years of age. That means 20 students will be of below 8 years, 48 are of 8 years, and remaining are going to be of above 8 years of age. So altogether we have total 100 students in the school.